Ka company de bilat jong ka Star Cement lengba katanat CSR. Kalano senyang de kitiar school shiki kana school berkitiar kai sports ki baper. Shiki kasau tuli ki school ki badan hanarpu. Ya kini kitiar la IT shiki no peniat shnong bar shiki no peniat jong ki school. Ya ka jing alang sami kini kitiar la penlong Star Club jong ka company halum shnong. Bala peniat ya ka program do general manager jong ka CSR Star Cement u King Shok Bora. Ki kasau tuli ki school ki bayo e ka jingno jingarap kiri ki school ki bana ka shnong khaddum bri charnot tongseng lum tongseng sakri ba lum shnong nakabanta ki khana ki badana du 6000 laispa asop sangut laya ki markawe ka plakot ki bilor umdi ki pencil box ki geometrical box bat ka shatri karbana kabanta ki khasau tuli ki school laya da ki ben banchong bantho ki tiara lakai sports bakin thup ki tiara lakai cricket ki bola lakai football bat volleyball ki discus throw ki shot put bat ki chess King Shok Bora ulong bayakane ke jing ajing kershan jong katanat CSR lasdang nadu usnam arjakat pra bat ondang yai peteng ban ai ke jing kershan ulong ru basyan katanat kan sapelong ru eka exam na kapenta kito ki khanna ki bayo eka jing kershan kum ka scholarship na ka company kum balale mala usnam ki bapas baha ka kerdan menengkong kinyo eka kumpisa kebasan pohajar tingka ki bawana ka kerdan baar kinyo lai pohajar tingka bat ki bawana ka kerdan balai kinyo kasan hajar tingka bat kane ka scholarship kan longkum ka jing kershan bat jing ya rapi ki khanna bakin peteng shushu eka jing pule jongki ki bakam shalor.
Our Star Public School is concerned, as we have some friends from different villages and teachers, I would like to inform you that just like previous year, this year also will definitely try to enroll students from your villages in class 11 after matriculation. So I just convey this message to you and please spread this message to your villages that the students who are passed out in the matric, they can directly contact the Department of CSR or our school authority. They will definitely get admission as per their choice because we have both all three streams here, science, arts, commerce, and also their fees. As the fees is concerned, it will be totally 100% free. It will definitely taken care by CSR. So I think it's a great opportunity for the students. So you please convey this message to your village, and definitely we will do it. Again, one more thing is that we are also doing last similar to the previous year. We will going to do the scholarship program this year also. Students who have already appeared in class 12, I repeat, students who are appeared in class 12, students who are getting education in any educational institute of East Zandia Hills. I repeat, there only might be two conditions. Students who have already appeared in class 12 board exam, number one. Number two, students who are getting education within the educational institute of East Zandia Hills. Scholarship examination is training list. Definitely will disclose the date and everything with a very short time, and after that the registration process will be started with the help of their respective schools, and after that we will definitely have this one program, and there will be exam, and after that assessment will disclose the result. Previous year we might forget, but I like to remind you that in our East Zandia Hills district 56 students will receive scholarship from Star Cement. Out of these 56 students, the top 10 students get 50,000 each. Then second 20 students received 30,000 each. And last is number of students, the 26 students, they received 15,000 each. So it's a good and handsome amount for the students who are going for higher education. So also spread this message to your village so that maximum students can benefit from our scheme. And we have done an assessment in every school of Ilaka Naru. from Lumsunong to Umpiak. And there were 33 schools, and out of 33 schools, we have completely successfully completed the assessment in 28 schools. So 28 schools is a huge volume for us, and now we have decided that the program would be done in a phase wise. So in the first phase, we have decided, we have think that we can provide support to 14 schools, and rest of the schools will be covered in next year. So today we are assembling here, and we have invited some teachers, villagers from these villages, and they come over here to receive their materials for their respective schools. So as far as materials are concerned, this program, the student and the school support program is not a new initiative for this year. We have already started this program in 2018, where we have covered maximum schools of Ilaka Nadu. So through this program, we have provided some infrastructure support to the schools, as well as some support to the students, each students. Today we are assembling here only to provide the students, for students we are going to provide the school bags, this one, and each students will receive one umbrella and one water bottle and one pencil box. Here also one have to mention is that the high schools, especially the high school, I believe Eastern Secondary School or Star Public School, the students who are in class 8, 9 or 10, these students will not get this pencil box, but in place of this pencil box, they will receive the geometry box. The program will be done in a case wise. So we have shortlisted 14 schools from 7 villages of Ilaka Nadu. That's Kadon, then Bishnot, Tandoori, Lumsunong, Thompson and Sakri. So these 14 schools we have shortlisted, and we decided that whatever possible for us within our limited budget, we will definitely provide the support to all students, and also try to fill the gap of these school facilities. In the survey, we have identified that maximum schools are running short of beds and desks. Students don't have. Sometimes we feel that the toilet also is a major concern for the schools. But as I have already told you, that the capacity of our CSR is limited. So we have decided that whatever possible, whatever available material could be provided, that material could be included in this page.